That's sweet. Thanks for stopping by to watch this video. Are you looking for a natural and refreshing way to pamper your skin and keep it feeling fresh and smooth? Look no further because you are in the right channel. Dive into your kitchen and whip up this easy to make face pack with just few and simple ingredients. It's packed with cooling and skin loving ingredients. This DIY recipe is sure to become staple in your skincare routine. So let's get into it. Alright, so the first ingredient needed for this recipe is half cucumber. Cucumber is a skincare powerhouse known for its cooling properties. It helps to soothe and hydrate the skin, reducing puffiness and inflammation. Grate the half cucumber into a fine paste so to extract the juice. Hey sweet soul, thank you for stopping by to watch this video. Please, before you go, support your babe by subscribing and liking this video. That is to tell the algorithm that you love what you just saw and the content, and it will also make YouTube to recommend it to other viewers, and it will also help the algorithm to push this video to more people so they can also benefit from this simple and effective DIY face pack. And also don't forget to leave any comment in the comment section down below, so I will be waiting. Thank you my love for subscribing, liking and sharing the video. God bless you so much for me. So after grating the cucumber, next is to strain out the cucumber juice because that's what we need. Did you know that cucumber is a skincare powerhouse known for its cooling properties? It helps to soothe and hydrate the skin, reducing puffiness and inflammation. So if you have puffiness or you're suffering from inflammation, then always include cucumber in your skincare routine. So here we have the cucumber juice. You can as well use a blender to blend it, which after blending use a cheesecloth to strain it so any particles of the cucumber won't pass in. So in another bowl, add in 2 tablespoons of the cucumber juice. Then moving on to the next ingredient is aloe vera gel, which you can as well use the fresh aloe vera gel. It will still work 100%. Did you know that this face pack have so many benefits when it comes to skincare? It reduces swelling and puffiness. Study shows that cucumbers have the ability to reduce swelling and puffiness of the skin. If you have been running low on sleep and find you have dark puffy circles under your eye, cucumber is the answer to it. So our next ingredient is raw honey. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning that it attracts and retains moisture in the skin. It's also packed with antioxidants and has antibacterial properties, making it great for acne-prone skin. So after adding our honey, we mix and mix and mix so all the ingredients can combine very well. So after that, add 2 spoons of cornstarch. Cornstarch is a gentle exfoliant that helps to absorb excess oil and impurities from the skin. It also has a soothing effect, making it perfect for sensitive skin types. So mix well until the cornstarch is evenly distributed throughout the cucumber and honey pie. Hey sweetie, are you still watching till this stage? That means you love what you're saying. Have you subscribed to the channel? Have you shared this video? Are you still watching without commenting or leaving any question related to the video in the comment section? Have you turned your post notification bell? Because you need to turn them on, because in this channel we share love. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel
before you go, because you can also go through my channel to see a lot of DIYs in this channel. So baby, so love, so sweetie, so honey pie, please support by subscribing.
So sugar, thank you for subscribing, and also thank you for watching to this stage. So now our face pack is super ready, and follow me, let's go and apply it on my mom's face so you see the magic. So for the application, cleanse your face with water and pat it dry with a towel. Use a cotton bud or a brush and apply the cucumber and cornstarch face pack evenly over your face. Kick back and relax for about 15 to 20 minutes while the face pack works its magic. Feel the cooling sensation as cucumber soothes your skin and the cornstarch gently exfoliates. Once the time is up, rinse off the face pack with lukewarm water and skin dry with a towel. Then finish up by applying your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration and keep your feeling soft and supple. So guys, that brings me to the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, and turn on your post notification bell so you get to be the first to always get notified each time I drop an amazing and interesting videos like this. See you in my next video. I love you and stay everly blessed. Bye bye.